tradition of providing generations of expert woodworkers with the tools and confidence needed to create and inspire. We push the limits of imagination to deliver superior equipment. Equipment that is as ambitious as the men and women who depend on us. Our standard is excellence, the gold standard. That's why we are proud to introduce the PM2200 Cyclone Dust Collector with high-efficiency particle air filtration. The most innovative cyclone dust collector ever invented, the PM2200 is engineered to deliver a clean and efficient work environment. The powerful 3-horsepower motor moves 1,543 cubic feet of air per minute. The Cyclone design pulls heavy debris down to the collection drum without interrupting airflow, so that smaller particles flow up to the top to be filtered by the HEPA filter, trapping 99.97% of all particles at 0.3 micron. The proprietary auto-cleaning HEPA filter technology automatically cleans the filter when the PM2200 Cyclone is turned off. When the drum is full, the one-handed drum release and swiveling casters make cleanup quick and easy. The integrated vacuum lines in the drum retain the bag without needing a separate bag frame. Following strict guidelines and electrical requirements, the PM2200 Cyclone Dust Collector is CSA certified and is proudly backed by POWERMATIC's 5-year warranty. As with every product POWERMATIC builds, the PM2200 Cyclone Dust Collector with HEPA filtration pushes the limit of design, innovation, and durability. It's time to step up to the gold standard. Visit